Krishna kids. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna kids. Hare Krishna kids. Right, kids. I think we should get started.
Report kids.
Hare
Can
Krishna.
you hear me, Mataji?
We are kids, right?
Yeah, I can hear everybody.
You are kids.
Hi, Shreya.
Polite, sympathetic, patient, tall, neat. ఏదన్నా ఒకటి ఉందంటే
Mataji, do we have the recording on?
Yes, Mataji, it's ready. You can start.
All right, so Hare Krishna kids, welcome to today's Damodar class. I mean, it's a summer camp, of course, but thank you all of you joining the class today. We are going to start today's class. There's so much to cover, so let's not waste time and get started with the class. We are going to start our class with Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and we are going to repeat that for 11 times. Okay, so ready? Let's get started.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Self, Mataji. Now. Mataji, can you unmute yourself, Mataji?
I'm on mute.
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay, cool. All right, kids, you know what we're going to do today? We are going to talk about the letter K. So it's on your screen as well. See, there's so many items with letter K, right? But I am going to see what all you have. So I'm sure you have collected all the items you could with letter K, but I'm going to see that after the story time, okay? So let's hold on to that for now. All right. So when we're talking about letter K, how can we not talk about Krishna? And how can we not talk about Krishna Janmashtami, right? So that is the story for today. I would be focusing more on Krishna Janmashtami. That is the appearance day of Krishna, and also how Krishna killed Kansa. So these are the only stories I will be focusing on. But these slides have tons of other information. Krishna has so many pastimes. We all know that it is impossible for anybody to cover it within 15-20 minutes time frame. But this slide has a lot of information, so you can review that later. But let's get started. So the appearance of Lord Krishna. So what happened long ago? Once upon a time, the goddess of earth, Bhumi, she took the form of a cow, and then she reached out to Lord Brahma, who is basically the creator of the world. She reached out to Brahma and she said that, people on the earth are suffering badly because there are so many demons on earth and they are really troubling innocent people. What is it we can do to help them? So what Brahma did is Brahma and Bhumi and other demigods, what did they do is they reached out to Lord Vishnu, who was in the ocean of milk called Shwetadeepa. So that is where Lord Vishnu resides. So they all went there and they sincerely started paying their obeisances to Lord Vishnu and then started explaining them their real trouble on earth. So Lord Vishnu said that, okay, do not worry. Very soon I am going to come down on earth as a son of Vasudev, along with my brother and sister, Balram and Yogamaya, and all you demigods should also come down with me so that we can kill all the demons and protect our devotees. So that is what Lord Vishnu said to all the demigods and everybody, and gave them, console them that everything is going to be all right. I'm going to be there very soon. So after that, what happened was, Vishnu said all that was settled. Then one fine day, so in the first picture, you see Vasudeva and Devaki getting married, and the one who is riding this chariot is Kansa. So Kansa is Devaki's brother. So Vasudeva and Devaki got married, and now Kansa is taking them home. He's happy, sister is married, but he did not know what is there in his future, right? So when he was riding home with them, all of a sudden, the second picture says that there was a Akashvani, right? A thundering noise. Thundering noise says that, Kansa, you're doing a big mistake. The 8th born of Devaki is going to kill you. So he was extremely worried and he got very furious after hearing this. He could not tolerate that. So what he did is he grabbed his sister Devaki with her hair like this, and he pulled out his sword to kill her. But Vasudeva told him that, why are you trying to kill Devaki? She's never going to do any kind of harm to you, so don't kill her. And moreover, if you think that Devaki's son, 8th born, is going to kill you, then we promise you that all our babies we are going to hand over to you. So, you don't have to worry about anything. So leave us alone. We will do that. Kansa did believe Vasudeva because Vasudeva is a man of words. So whatever he said, Kansa did believe it, but he did not want to take any chances, right? Because he was a demon after all. So he put both husband and wife, Vasudeva and Devaki, behind bars, right, in the jail. So you look at that in the picture. They were in the jail, and then when Devaki had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kids born, or 6 sons born, Kansa killed all of them one by one. He was just unmerciful. He killed all of them. When 7th son was born, who was actually Balram, that time Krishna again played a trick, and then he sent Yogamaya to transfer Balram from Devaki's womb to Rohini's womb, who is another wife of Vasudeva, who is to live with Nand Maharaj and Yashoda at that time. So Balram was transferred. This is how Balram was also saved. Now is the time for the 8th born, who is going to kill Kansa. And who is going to be born now? Krishna, as Krishna promised to Bhumi and other demigods that he's going to do that. So the last picture shows that Kansa is born now. Krishna is born now. When Krishna was born, he had 4 arms and very opulent, lot of jewelry. He was in yellow silk clothes. So, and then he had a nice mukut. Everything, he had a very, very opulent appearance of Krishna. So they knew that Devaki and Vasudeva knew that, okay, Krishna is born and definitely he is going to kill Kansa now. But at the same time, there was an Akashvani, or a thundering noise, or Krishna himself, Vishnu himself was speaking that, okay, I'm here, but now you will have to, Vasudeva will have to take me to Nand Maharaj, and then Nand Maharaj, and Yashoda has just given birth to a baby girl. So you have to bring the baby girl here and exchange me with the baby girl and leave me there with Nand Maharaj. Because both Devaki and Vasudeva were very, very worried about that. So with that, now first picture shows that Nanda Maharaj started taking Krishna and started walking. But what happened at that time was all the security guards who were there in the jail of Kansa, they all fell asleep, in deep sleep. They went in deep sleep, and all the locks and everything was open. So basically, Krishna made all the arrangement that Vasudev can take him out now, right? Nobody would know that, the baby is out of the jail now. So Vasudev started taking Krishna out, and you can see in the picture that the entire environment was supporting that. It was a dark night. It was thundering. It was pouring. It was pouring. It was raining, but Nand Maharaj still had to do this. So he started walking because of huge rain. If you look at the picture, Sheshnag actually came to protect Krishna from the rain. So he actually created the umbrella kind of thing on Krishna so that he can be protected from rain. And when Vasudev reached Yamuna River was flowing bad that day with big waves. But as soon as he touched Yamuna River, it split into, it split and it gave way to Vasudev to cross the river. So if you can look at the picture, do you see water has just gone both the sides, and in between there is the complete path for Vasudev to cross the river. So Vasudev was able to go across the river. And then the last picture says that he left Krishna there, and he took the baby girl who Yashoda gave birth to with him. So he brought her back to the jail. As soon as he entered where he and Devaki were living, things were locked again, and then all the people outside, everybody woke up. Until now, nobody knew what happened, but everybody woke up now, and they started hearing the baby crying from the cell. So they immediately informed Kansa, and then Kansa knew that, oh, this is the 8th born who's going to kill me. So he was excited that he has to kill the baby. Immediately he went there and he took the baby from Devaki. Devaki was, requesting Kansa that it's a baby girl, and baby girl is not going to do any kind of harm to you. So spare the baby. But he did not want to take any chance. It's ultimately the 8th born. So he threw the baby down on earth so that baby can be killed. But you look at the picture, baby flew in the air. And then she turned herself into a goddess Durga, maybe, I think, a goddess Durga. And then she said that the 8th born of Devaki, who's actually going to kill you, still survives, and he will kill you one day. And she said that, and then she just disappeared because she was a goddess. Last picture says that, okay, Yashoda and Nand Maharaj thought that Krishna is their newborn baby, and then they were so excited about Krishna. Now everybody in Vrindavan were excited to see Krishna, taking care of Krishna. And then talking about Krishna Janmashtami, as we're talking about, that is the day we celebrate every single day, one of the biggest festivals. That is what we are celebrating today. The biggest festival, one of the biggest festival is Krishna Janmashtami, and we do so many things. Krishna. See, first picture says that, okay, when the baby is born, you put the baby in the crib, and then, you do all that. So that's what people are doing in the first picture. And Krishna was very fond of butter, if you remember the stories or pastimes of Krishna. So the second picture says that until today, a lot of kids get together and they hang a pot filled with butter, just like you're seeing in the picture, and they go break it and eat it. Third one, we do Abhishekam, pay obeisances to Krishna and all the devotees. So first picture shows that, and the last one is, yeah, you play some kind of skit and all, right? Somebody plays Krishna, somebody plays Radha, Balram, Gopas and Gopis and all that, and everybody have fun. So it's a very, very big festival, and we all celebrate in different ways. This was all about how Krishna appeared to take care of devotees. The next story I'm going to talk about is how he killed Krishna, how he killed Kansa. But before that, few slides on Krishna's different pastimes. So first is Krishna with Balram. Krishna had a lot of friends, and he was always there with his friends in the fields when they used to take cows out. The third one is Krishna and Sudama, one of the biggest friend of Krishna, who was really poor, but just because he was a very, very big devotee, Krishna took care of him. This is all we need to do. All right, so talking about Krishna's pastimes, as I said, I really don't have a lot of time to go through every single pastime, but Krishna did take care of so many demons when he was still a very, very small child in Vrindavan. So Krishna kept sending, because Krishna, okay, when Kansa tried killing the 8th born of Devaki, which was actually a girl he tried killing, and then the girl said that, no, the 8th born is still alive and he's going to kill you. So what he started doing is he started killing all the kids who were born around that time. So when he found out that there is Krishna who is born in Anand Maharaj's family, he kept sending so many demons there to kill Krishna. So these pictures would show so many demons who have come to kill Krishna, like Shaktasura, who came in the form of a cart, and then Krishna actually basically Nalakuvera and Manigriva were given a curse that they become the trees. So Krishna actually rescued them from that as well. Other demons we talk about is Vatsasura is a calf demon. Bakasura was a stork demon. So there's a little bit of write-up here as well. Krishna actually killed all of them. Do you see how he's swirling and killing such big demons? We all know why, because he is the personality of Godhead. He killed Agasura, the snake demon. Dhenukasura, he and Balram did kill that. Pralambasura. So you see how huge the Pralambasura demon was, and Balram was able to kill the Pralambasura demon. Putna, who came to kill Krishna, Krishna killed her as well. Keshi demon, who came in the form of a horse, Krishna killed him too. Kalia was a serpent. Do you see how huge it was? But Krishna had no trouble, controlling Kalia, who was actually killing everybody around him. We have also read in last few classes about Govardhan Leela and Krishna showing the whole universe in his mouth. These pastimes of Krishna clearly show that he is the personality of Godhead. All right, now we come to the second story for today, and that is Krishna killing Kansa. All right, so Kansa already knew that he wants to kill Krishna, right? Because whoever he was sending to kill Krishna, any kind of demon or any form or shape of demons he was sending, Krishna was killing all of them, right? They were just not able to kill Krishna. So he got furious. Finally, what he did is he thought that let me invite Krishna to Mathura for a wrestling challenge. I will have my best wrestlers fight with him and Balram. And my wrestlers are so strong because they are trained in wrestling, right? They can kill Krishna easily. So he wanted to play this trick on Krishna. So he sent Akrura to Vrindavan to bring Krishna, to invite Krishna for this wrestling championship. Well, he was very smart to send Akrura. Akrura, who is related to Krishna, but is a very big devotee of Krishna as well. I'm sorry. Akrura, who is related to Kansa, is a big devotee of Krishna as well. So he knew that sending Akrura would help, because Krishna will not say no to a devotee. So he sent it to him. He sent him to Vrindavan. So the second picture says that Akrura was looking for Krishna. He saw the baby feet of Krishna and he's like, okay, Krishna is around. Let me find Krishna. When he meets Krishna, he tells Krishna about how Kansa is actually torturing Vasudeva and Devaki in the prison. So he reminded him that, okay, if Kansa is doing all that to your parents, that would mean that Kansa can do that. What will Kansa do to you when you come there? Akrura, as a devotee, was worried about Krishna and his family. Okay, but because Kansa invited Krishna Balram for the wrestling, Akrura came there to invite him. Krishna had to go there because it's time for Krishna to kill Kansa. He was one of the biggest demon and has been really a big trouble for all the devotees. So Krishna decided to go. And whoever was worried there, gopis were worried, Nanda Maharaj was worried, whoever was worried, but Krishna consoled everybody and said that everything is going to be all right. So Krishna started going towards Mathura. So this picture shows that gopis were really worried. They didn't want Krishna to go. They were also thinking that if Krishna goes to Mathura and if he likes Mathura, he will never return, right? So if you're big devotees of Krishna, or anybody whom we like, we don't want them to go far from us, right? We want them to stay close to us always. So they were worried. So they are requesting Krishna here. Well, Krishna reaches Mathura now. When Krishna reached Mathura, he met, he had different kind of experiences in Mathura. He met good devotees also in Mathura. At the same time, he met some wicked people also in Mathura, just because the person who was ruling Mathura was Kans. Kans himself wasn't, Kansa himself wasn't, was himself a demon. So definitely, a lot of people would follow him. So he met a wicked washerman, and when Krishna asked for some good clothes, he did not give, and he in fact tried to humiliate people, and Krishna has to teach him a lesson. Similarly, Krishna met Sudama as well, and Sudama gave flowers to Krishna, and he said that the only thing I want is to worship you and be in your service, and Krishna actually blessed him. Krishna also met Kubja. Kubja actually used to take, what is it called? Kubja, one moment. Sandalwood paste, right. Kubja used to take sandalwood paste to Kansa's palace. She saw Krishna, so opulent. She also offered the same thing to Krishna. Krishna accepted it, and she being so nice, Krishna actually recovered her from the problem she had with her back. So he just touched her and she was fine. All right, so now killing Kansa. So Kansa actually made so many hurdles for Krishna because he wanted to kill Krishna, right? So he sent an elephant to kill Krishna, and Krishna had no problem killing that elephant. You look at the picture. He just held him with his trunk and he killed him. Similarly, he had one big bow in front of his in front of the entrance of the the palace. That is something Krishna broke too, wherein he had a lot of soldiers who tried killing Krishna, but Krishna was able to pass that through as well. Then finally they entered the arena where Kansa had his wrestlers. A couple of very strong wrestlers were Mushtika and Chanura. They were there to kill Krishna and Balram, but again, Krishna and Balram had no problem killing them. They both took care of it. Krishna fought with one and Balram fought with one. And people who were sitting there and watching, all the local people, they were really worried. They were saying this is very, very unfair that such small kids are fighting with these champions, basically champion wrestlers. So everybody was worried, but Krishna and Balram actually took care of them. And then finally, the time is to kill Kansa. So Kansa got very furious when he saw that everybody's dying, whoever is going close to Krishna. So first picture says that he just got up from his throne and he pulled his sword out to kill Krishna. Krishna immediately jumped right in front of him and then bashed him and threw him down off his throne. And then with just one punch, he killed him. That's it. So that was the story for today. This is how Krishna killed Kansa, the demon who was such a pain for everybody there. All right, kids, this is where we end our story today. And hope you paid attention because I have some questions from the story. Let's see who can answer. Can we mute everybody? So first question today is, who did Kansa send to bring Krishna to Mathura?
Akrura.
Awesome, good job.
Akrura.
All right, second one is, who was the king of Mathura at that time?
Kamsa.
Lovely. Yeah.
Kamsa.
Third, right. Third one is, what was the name of the garland seller?
Sudama. Sudama.
Wow, you kids are awesome.
Sudama. Sudama.
And the last one, who was selling sandalwood paste in Mathura?
Kubji. Kubji. Kubji.
Yay! Kubja was selling. Right. Can one of you also answer, what did Krishna do to Kubja?
Kubja. She picked up the handbag.
Yeah, right. She had the hunchback, and then Krishna made her into a very pretty woman. Very nice. Very nice. Good job, kids. You are just awesome. I am so proud of you. All right. The last thing from my side today is the moral of the story. First one is the victory of good over evil, and second one is have faith in Krishna's plan. So if you look at that, finally, whatever problems come in your life,
I can see that Ram and Lakshman is killing Ravan.
yes, and that is why I picked this picture, because Ram and Lakshman killing Ravana is also victory of good over evil. That is right. That is why we always have to have right. So that is why we have to follow the right path. Have faith in Krishna, believe in him. He
I
always...
have a question for you guys. Mataji, I have a question.
Yeah, what is the question?
Krishna was eating butter.
Krishna was eating butter. What is the question?
Then Yashoda took him in this, tied him and then he just walked right to, but there was a tree which was attached together.
Please, Krishna helped them with the mortar, right? That's the one you're talking about?
And then they broke, and then, Narad Muni cursed them. They're Nanigreva and Kubera.
Oh,
Nanigreva
right.
and Kubera.
Right, I think you're talking about this one, this picture.
Yes.
Yeah, that is right. Yeah, he used
And then they broke him.
the story about this.
And then if one day Krishna was eating butter he chopped all the butter that he sees.
I think all kids love butter. You love butter too, I'm sure.
And then Yashoda took Krishna, tied Krishna, and then
Tied him to the mortar, right?
And then he tied it into the mortar which she made to make
That
some
is right.
milk.
You remember the entire pastime. Amazing.
And then
Krishna has so many pastimes.
I'll just let my dad here.
Mataji.
One day, Krishna, I'll tell about Kalia's story actually.
Remember Kalia's story?
One day,
Krishna. I mean, as I said in the beginning.
Krishna was playing, and then when he was playing in the Yamuna, a poisonous came. All of the friends died, but also not Balram and Krishna. Because there's the Supreme Goddess.
Right.
And
Oh,
then
wow.
Krishna, Balaram was out, and then they said, no, don't go inside, Krishna.
That is right. You know so many pastimes. You kids know all the pastimes.
And then Krishna danced on Kalia.
Yeah. You know what I would do, Janvi, and all the kids? I think this is very interesting thing that, why don't you, when you send the message on WhatsApp, also tell us which pastime do you like the most? Like talk about couple of pastimes. And I wish I would have a lot of time. I would like to hear from all of you. What are your favorite pastimes? But But trust me, I would like to read that. So send your favorite pastime. Just, say Bakasura, so I would know which pastime you're talking about. Just one word.
Mataji, Mataji,
Yes.
what does faith mean?
Faith means believing. You believe in something, right? Like you believe in your parents, whatever way your parents do for you,
Oh, okay. Thank you, Mataji.
you have believe in them, right? Yeah. All right. So kids, please send that. Okay. I would love to read what is your favorite pastime from Krishna's pastimes. Okay. And this is where I end today. And we have a lot of things to do today. So I am going to request Shyamarupini Mataji, and she's going to teach us some good stuff. So kids, let's get ready. And after that, when we go to the break room, I would like to see the items you have with letters starting K. So we will do that in the break room. But let's get started with this cooking now. Hare Krishna Mataji, over to you.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you for the wonderful class. Okay, kids, are you ready to do the cooking? Yes? Yes, I don't know.
Yes.
What about you all? Yes. Janmashtami. We are all ready to make wonderful sweets that we want to offer to Krishna, right? During festivals, what do we like the most? Sweets. Sweets, isn't it? Okay. So what we will do before we start making, we should pray to whom, Radharani, because Radharani is the best cook in the whole world. She knows what Krishna likes, and whatever she prepares, it's the best. So, we can take her blessing and we can start with this simply wonderful sweet. Okay. So do you all have the ingredients? See, I have given a picture here. I have a picture here of, you need some milk powder, you need some butter. I don't know if your parents are around to help you. So what you need to do is get all the ingredients except milk. You need to have butter, see butter. And I have taken some cardamom powder, but if you don't want cardamom powder, you can take vanilla essence or orange essence. Whatever flavor or any colors you like, you can put in your sweet. And then you can take some powdered sugar. Like I have taken icing sugar. I have taken some icing sugar. You can take any powdered sugar you want. Okay, I see why somebody is raising hand. Hamsini. What do you want? You're raising your hand?
I'm not raising my hand.
Mataji,
Yes?
do we need icing and flavoring?
No, you don't need. Flavoring is just if you want, otherwise it's okay. If you have cardamom powder, if you even don't have it, that's also fine. Completely fine. If you
Do we
like
need
flavoring.
Do we need icing?
Going to make.
No, we don't need icing. Sometimes for the icing, you use the sugar, powdered sugar, those kind of sugar, or if you have any sugar at your home, you can use that also. Whatever sugar you have. Okay? Okay, so can we all get started? Do you have?
No. What are we going to make?
Can we go around, please? Just 2 minutes. Chair here and sit. Do like that, please.
What are we going to
What
make?
you can do is, do you have a ball? You see, I have a ball like this. Do you have a ball, big ball, small ball? Bowl you
What
have?
are we going to make?
We are make some sweet, laddus, like laddu kind of a thing. Just mixing, the butter, the milk powder and the sugar, and we are going to make some laddus, Krishna and Madhumangal, everybody used to like laddus.
Yes.
We are going to make some laddu. So what you have to do is, do you have some milk powder? See, I have milk powder here. Okay, what you need to do is you need to put some milk powder inside the bowl. It's not good, please. Just put it. Okay. Do you have, okay, did you put the milk powder inside? Did you put the milk powder inside?
Yes.
Yes. Can you see my screen, guys?
Mataji, not PPT, but we can see something else.
Only see your desktop.
Madhuri, you can see your desktop only.
Their openings are so pretty.
Okay, now can you see the screen?
No, Mataji. Are you
Do you
sharing?
want me to stop sharing first, Mataji?
I need to stop sharing.
I stop sharing. You can try now.
Oh, okay.
Actually, Mataji, we can see you now. So if you're presenting it live, we can do that. That's fine.
Yep, we
Okay.
can see it now.
Yeah, we can see the slides.
Okay, you can see the slides now. Okay. Okay, so guys, first you put the milk powder. Like if you have 1 cup of milk powder, you can put 1 cup of milk powder inside the bowl. Then put 2/3 cups of icing sugar.
And then butter.
Do you all have icing sugar or whatever sugar you carry? Whatever sugar your mother has at home, you can put that. Any sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, any sugar. Yes? So 1 cup of milk powder, 2/3 cup of sugar,
And butter.
and then you can take little bit less than half cup of butter, okay?
Okay, we got the butter.
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Yes, you can mix it, okay?
Yeah,
Otherwise it will
mix it.
take a lot of time. No, you can make balls, Baldram. We will not fight here. This is not the time to fight, please.
make
Let us not
balls.
fight here. And then, you know, any flavoring you have, you can put,
Yeah.
or I have some cardamom powder, so I am putting some cardamom powder. You can put whatever you want. Vanilla essence, orange essence, you know, whatever flavor you like, you can put it. Okay, and then all you need to do is, see, can you see in the picture? You mix everything together, okay? With your hands, you can mix everything together. You want to mix, Subhadra? So I am mixing here. I hope you can see me. See, I'm mixing here. Just mix, 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 mix,
So I do. You can put
mix,
this.
mix, mix. So I took some milk also on this side because in case if it becomes dry, you might have to add. But if you just mix the butter, sugar, and the milk powder, it will come together. Okay? I see somebody is raising their hand. Okay, let me see. Okay, Vrinda. Why do any one of you have doubts? Does any one of you have doubts?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead, ask me.
I don't have the materials.
You don't have milk powder, you don't have sugar, you don't have butter at home?
I have, but I don't have the materials.
You don't have the material, so what you can do is you can maybe make later and share it in the group.
Okay.
Okay, it's very simple, very simple. You just mix everything together. 1 cup of milk powder, 2/3 cup of sugar, and then a little bit less than half cup of butter. Okay?
Yeah. It's good.
Anybody else has any question?
No.
No. Anybody else? So, do you see here in the screen?
I have a question.
Who is that?
Nishita, I have
Yes.
a question.
Yes.
What can laddu? What are the ingredients one more time?
Okay, milk powder, sugar, and butter. That's all you need. Milk powder, butter, and sugar. Okay, see, it's coming together. See, can okay, see, now you can make some equal portions. See, can you see? I don't know if I can lower. See, you just have to make some.
Mataji, can I stop your screen share so then we can see you clearly?
You want me to? Cannot help you right now.
Is that okay, Mataji? Can we stop the screen share?
Yeah, then you just want me to show them?
Yeah, they can see you better that way.
Okay, okay, fine, Mataji. Okay, I don't know if you can see this better. See, I just made some laddus like this, see? See, all of you, can you see me?
Yes.
Yes. See? So you can make equal portions and then make it laddu. And that's it. You know who started the Simply Wonderful? You know, Prabhupada. He taught all the devotees how to make this, because when Prabhupada came here, devotees did not know, you know, many of the things. And this was one of the simplest sweet, where you don't have to cook, where you don't have to do anything. And all the people would love, you know, when you distribute them as prashadam, everybody used to love this sweet because it is so wonderful and it's so simple. So, yes.
I'm done making Simply Wonderful.
You're making?
I'm done.
Oh, you're done. Awesome. I would like to see. Wow. Then I would really like to see. Maybe I can do the gallery view so that I can see all of you making. Can I see yours? Wow. Dhanya Radhika. Wow. Okay. Deeptiman. Wow. Wow. Okay. Shrena. Wow. And Sanvi.
Is good. You should add.
Janvi, did you make Janvi?
Sure.
He also made them.
Oh, Vrinda, are you making?
Yeah. I just started Mataji.
He's also making. Satvik,
Yes.
Ashwita, are you making?
Yes.
Wow!
We already made
Isn't it easy? Nirvi also made. Okay, let me see more. Wow, sorry. Oh, Parikshit, Noshtitha, you have a question? Yes.
Do you milk the butter? Milk. I'm telling on you.
I'm sorry, what did you say? You don't have to melt the butter. No, if it is at room temperature, you don't have to melt it.
Okay, Mataji.
You don't have to melt it. If it is outside, you know, you don't have to melt it. Diksha, you had a question?
No. My question is, if you don't have milk powder, can you use anything else?
What is anything else? I'm not able to hear. I understand. I'm sorry.
If you don't have milk powder, can you use anything else?
No, you know, because like, you know, when we make peda, what do we need? Like your mother, she has to make the milk thick, or you know, you use milk powder. So it's like a peda. So when you make a peda without cooking, so without milk powder, there is nothing you can do. Mayuk, yes, you want to say something? You made it? Wow. So if you, those of you have made, what you should do, you should be ready to offer it to Krishna because you took Radharani's blessings. It's going to be wonderful. Yes. I don't see anybody here. Shreya, Srihari, nobody here in video. Okay. So Monish, Parth, Keshvi. Okay, Ram, Sridhar. Okay. Tanmay. Okay, Tanmay is done. Okay, so I think most of you are done, right? So those of you have not completed, you can just go ahead and continue making the sweets later, okay? Or you can ask your parents to help you. Yes, because we have another craft work. Yes, we have another craft work coming that we have to do because today is Janmashtami. What are we going to do? We are going to make footprints of Krishna. So, you know, you can show your thing in the breakout room. You can continue doing that. So I think we will go ahead and do the craft work. Okay? Yes? Okay, so let's go ahead and do our craft work. So, sharing. Mataji, I'm sharing the screen, right?
Yes, Mataji, you're good.
Yes, okay. So, you can offer it to Krishna. Okay. So, can we go ahead and do the Krishna footprints? Yes? Are you all ready to do the Krishna footprints or are you still doing the sweet? Yes, can we go ahead and do the footprints? Do you know what you need for the footprints? Do you know what you need for the footprints? We need some rice. Yes.
What do we need?
Okay. So this footprint, you know, you can, I think you can do it on either black paper, but because of water, it makes it very soggy. Or you can do it on any surface, table, floor, I don't mind. Because I tried doing on the paper and it did not come very well. But the footprints we are going to make using the rice flour and water. Can you see it in the picture here? Do you all of you, do you have rice flour at home? Or do you have maida, all-purpose flour at home?
Do you have
Yes.
rice flour?
Yes.
Rice flour.
If you have rice flour or all-purpose flour, you know, all-purpose flour or rice flour,
Water.
just mix the rice flour or all-purpose flour with water. Okay, so what you need to do is, say if you have 6 spoons of rice flour and 12 spoons of water. So can we all get going? Please, I need to see at least some thumbs up from everybody if they have the ingredients ready. I don't know if you can see my picture. See how the rice flour, when you mix with water, it should be a little bit pouring consistency. See, I'm showing it to you, all of you. It should be such that you can pour it. It should not be very liquidy, but it should be such that you can still pour it and not very thick. Because you're going to make footprints, baby footprints, Krishna's footprints. Yes? Okay, I don't know all of you. I cannot. Okay, so you see, I took a plate. Do you see in the picture? Once you mix it in the bowl, what you do is you pour it in your plate. You pour it in your plate. Or you can still, use from the bowl. If the bowl is little bit wide, you can use it from the bowl itself, or you can pour it in a plate. Because you have to dip your, see, I have to make a fist. I have to make a fist like this. I have to make a fist like this, then I have to dip it, and then we have to make footprints of Krishna. Okay, so that's why I'm taking a plate. I'm taking a plate. Okay, so once you have the plate and all the mixture ready, you know what we need to do? See, I took my palm. Can you see the picture? See, I'm showing you the picture because we want to make equal dots so that our legs, they don't, connect each other. So you take your palm like this. Can you see the picture? And can you see the shape I'm making? Where I'm going to use my thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky finger. Okay, you have to make your fingers like this. Or you can use random dots, but what will happen? The legs might touch each other, which you don't want. Can you all do that? Can you make your fingers like this? Yes? I don't know if you're all able to understand. If I have to see thumbs up, I can see thumbs up. Okay. See, look at my fingers. Yeah. Or you can use, see, because I have to dip it in the plate. You dip it in the plate like this. When you dip it in the plate like this, you see? Please, I'm teaching the class. You don't trouble me like this. See, you have to dip your fingers. Dip your fingers in the mixture that you made, right? Did you all make the mixture? See? See my finger? I'm making like this. I am dipping it. And then, either it is table or ground or any surface, no carpet. You cannot do the legs on the carpet. Remember when we were small children, we used to make Krishna's legs so that during Janmashtami, Krishna will come to our house. So like that, we are trying to make Krishna's baby footprints. So you take it like this and, anywhere on the table. You see how I made on the table I made. Can you see my fingers on the screen? See, I have shared the screen here. How I'm making the dots. You can make 3 dots, and where the pinky ends, pinky finger ends, you have to do again the other dots. That is for equal distance. Otherwise, you can just make some random dots. That's okay. Just leave some space and make some dots. If you cannot do it this way, just make some dots. Okay, leave some space and make the dots. Curl the first finger and this finger, but just use your thumb, your middle finger and pinky. Okay. Or you can just use the thumb for making the dots, but leave some space because you're going to make legs, right? Any surface you can use, you can use your table, you can use floor if you have. Just because you cannot do it properly on a paper, it does not come well for me. So that's why I'm telling you, any surface, it's okay. Okay, see how I made the dots? If you see on the screen how I made dots. Even if you don't want to use this method, just make some random dots, leave some space and make random dots. And now use your fist, okay? Make a fist like this with your right hand. Just make a fist and just dip your fist, okay? And then press it on the dot. See, if you press it on the dot, can you see like a leg? Can you see like a leg? Just use your fist. Just use your fist. Dip it in the plate, you know, and then make a leg. Just make a leg. Like that, you can use right hand and left hand to make the legs. Okay, those dots are just your mark, your points, so that you know where to make the legs. Otherwise, you can make random legs. It does not matter. You don't want to go step by step. Just use your fist, dip it, and then make the legs. Continue to make the legs. You see, can you see in the picture at the end? Can you wait, please? Can you wait? Balram, please don't trouble me. Balram, please. And then you can just use your thumb or the index finger, you know, to make the dots for the legs, right? For the small feet, you need toes, right? Can you see the toes? Just dip. Once you make, what you have to do is, once you make the feet, you have to fill it. Right, you have to fill it. See, if you see the previous picture, how it is like this, right? If you see the middle picture, it's not properly filled. So you have to use more of this white flour and fill it. Okay, I don't know if you can see my picture. I'm trying to show. See how I made it on the table. Can you see how I made it on the table? I know it's a bit messy, but I made it on the table to show you. You know, just take your fist, do like this, and try to fill it. When you fill it, see how I am filling it. And then just try to make some. Yes, Mataji?
Came in the paper nicely for me.
Okay, Mataji, I don't mind, Mataji. Wherever, I don't care, mind.
Okay, okay.
See, and like that, you can make all the legs. So you use your right hand, you use your left hand. Okay, like that you have to make. So does anybody have doubts? Are you able to do? Anybody has any questions? Because we have a rhyme too. Because it's festival, we are doing a rhyme too. Anybody has any questions they want to ask? Anybody? Please share it in the group. Okay, once you're done, please share it. You know, when actual Janmashtami comes, you can still make throughout the house, you know, for Krishna to enter. It's very nice. When I was little, I used to do. I used to help my mom make the legs because we want Krishna to come to our house. You know, that was one day we used to like really very much. Me and my sister together, we used to make all these small legs. So does anybody have doubts? If no, you know, you can continue to make and then we can go ahead and do the rhyme. Okay, it's already 5. So let's just go ahead and do the rhyme. Mataji, do you usually unmute them, Mataji?
Sure, Mataji, we can unmute.
Yeah, I don't know. Otherwise, I can just sing, repeat once, then.
Yeah, I'll unmute a few kids who have raised their hands. So if anyone wants to be unmuted, please just raise your hands.
Okay, so I will start the song. Okay, rhyme, and please repeat it after me.
Repeat after.
Bells. Okay, this is like, you know, like we sing the jingle bells. It's like that. Okay. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Oh, Krishna consciousness.
Dashing through the day.
Dashing through the day.
In this Kali Yuga.
In this Kali Yuga.
Over Maya.
Over Maya.
We go chanting all the way.
We go chanting all the way.
Devotees on our way.
Devotees on our way.
Make our spirits bright.
Make our spirits bright.
Oh, what fun it is to dance in Kirtan party night.
Oh, what fun it is
to dance in Kirtan party night.
Krishna bells, Krishna
Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Okay, very good. I think during the breakout room, maybe you can try again. Yes? Do you all like the rhyme?
Yes.
Yes? Isn't it? It's a wonderful rhyme, right? Okay. So does anybody wants to show me anything, or we can just go ahead and do the breakout room?
I will break out, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Okay, so who is there in the group and who wants to show or share? You know, did you show the things with K today? Your keyboard, yeah. Ram Sridhar, your keyboard. You can all unmute. I think you can all go ahead and unmute yourselves. You know, we can. Radhika, Rasika, Nirvi, okay. Wow, you have Krishna, Ravindra. Okay, Ravindra Siphon. What is your name? I need to know your name. Ask to unmute. Can you all unmute yourselves? Yeah, Ravindra's iPhone. I don't know your name. What is your name?
Sunanda.
What is that?
Sunanda.
Sunanda. Haribol. Parikshit, did you make anything?
Oh.
No, did you not do the activity? That is awesome. I love it. That is so wonderful. Oh, yay! Haribol. Very nice, very nice. Ritika, where are you? Wait. Where are you? Nirvi.
Keyboard Mataji.
Oh, all of you are making good. Okay. Whom am I missing? Kabir, Parth. Wow, that is your K. What is that? Kola. Kola. Okay. Raghuveer, what are you showing? I cannot see. I don't know. Oh, that is your keychain. That's your keychain. Is that your keychain? Oh, that's Krishna. Okay, very nice.
Let's show.
Krishna. Yeah. Anybody else who wants to show?
Keyboard Mataji.
Nice, Nirvi, I'm seeing your, what is that?
Kettle.
Kettle, oh, wow. Keyboard, all of you have keyboard. Well, many of you have Krishna.
Nice. Actually, that's not a play toy.
Wow, you have Krishna. Krishna. Wow,
Simply wonderful.
Radhika Rasika, wow, Laddu, yes. Did you offer? Did everyone offer them?
Yes.
Did you like the laddus? Yeah, what do you think? Is it good? Yes? Uh-huh. I hope all of you liked it. Okay, does anybody want to try the rhyme?
Yummy.
Does anybody want to try the rhyme, Krishna? You want to try one? Screen share. Okay, let me just share the screen. Does anybody want to try this rhyme? Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Me, Pranav.
Okay, Pranav, go ahead. Are you okay? Can I see your video? I don't see you.
Right here. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. Early you go over Maya, chanting all the way. Devotees on their way, make our spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to be dancing night. Krishna bells, Krishna all the way, Krishna everywhere. Thank you, Mataji.
Very nice, Pranav. Very nice try. Can I ask somebody else if they want to try? Then you can try. Who is that?
Me, Nivya.
Nirvi. Okay, go ahead and try.
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. It is to be in Krishna consciousness. Dashing through the day. In this Kali Yuga. Over Maya we go. Chanting all the way. Devoted on our way. Make our spirits bright. Our spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to dance in Kirtan party night. In Kirtan party night. Krishna bells,
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Very nice, Nirvi. Very good. Okay.
Krishna bells. कोई और सुनाने.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Oh, what fun
it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Oh, what fun to be in Krishna consciousness.
Krishna bell,
Krishna everywhere.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. Dashing through
the
day in this Kali Yuga. Over Maya, we go chanting all the way. Devotees on our way. Make our spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to dance in Kirtan party night.
Oh, what fun is dance
in Kirtan party night.
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Thank you, Subhadra. Anybody else wants to share the rhyme?
Can I, Mataji?
Yes, Hamsini, go ahead.
Never mind.
You don't want to?
Krishna bells, Krishna bells. Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness, dashing through the day. In this Kali Yuga over May, we go chanting all the way, devotees on the way. Make our spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to dance in Kirtan party night. Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Thank you, Mataji.
Very nice, very nice. Anybody else who wants to try?
Sanvi.
Okay, go ahead.
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun is to be in Krishna consciousness. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun is to be in Krishna consciousness. Dashing to the day. In this Kali Yuga.
Over Maya, we go chanting all the way.
Devotees in our way.
Make our spirits bright.
Oh, what fun it's to dance in Kirtan party night. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Thank you, Mataji.
Very nice, Sanji, very nice. Anybody else who wants to try? Parth, you want to try? Okay, unmute. Can you unmute? Okay, you want to sing? Go ahead.
Krishna bells, everywhere. Oh, my God, it is reminded.
No, not jingle.
Oh, what happened?
What fun it is to be Krishna consciousness.
Oh, my planet is too many.
Krishna
consciousness.
It's okay. Next.
Oh, my planet.
Next, this time.
Dashing to the day.
Dashing through the day. Teacher will help you. Just try.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. This.
In the
Kali Yuga.
Kalogya, over man we
Maya, we go chanting all the way.
all the day, devotees on the way, make all the spirits
Make
bright.
our spirits bright.
How much the fun
It is to
it's to dance in a kitty party night.
party night.
Krishna bells everywhere.
No.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, anybody else wants to share? Otherwise, you can share your recordings in the group. You know, we would really like to hear. And if you have made the legs and the laddu, please share it in the group. Yes? Okay, very good.
Mataji, Ram wants to repeat if we
Okay,
have
yeah,
time.
sure. Go ahead.
Krishna bells,
Krishna bells,
Krishna everywhere.
Krishna everywhere.
Oh, what fun
Over some
it is to be. He's so fond of the laddu you just taught us, Mataji. It is so nice. He stuffed it in his mouth now. Sorry.
It's okay. Thank you, Ram, for singing very beautifully.
Thank you. It's very delicious.
No, Mataji. It's Prabhupada's recipe, not our recipe. So it is very good. It's wonderful. Okay. Okay, kids. So what we will do... So Mataji, can we end the call? Mataji, it's already over time, Mataji. Indu Mataji.
Yes, I'll close out the break rooms and we'll see.
Okay, we will just do our
We'll wait for
pranam. Everybody.
1 minute.
Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhu पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः।
कोटि वैष्णव की जय, रामचरित्र की जय, हरे कृष्ण माता जी, goodbye.
Jai. Please
Hare Krishna Mata ji. Bye everyone. Bye. Hare Krishna. Bye.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.
My laddu,
share your pictures in the group. I would love to. Who is that? Mataji, Mataji. Oh.
Vrunda wants to show her laddu.
Where is Vrinda? Let me see.
I spotted her, Mataji. Can you see?
Oh, wow. Wow. Did you offer?
Yes, she offered, Mataji.
I just offered Krishna, but I made so many laddus.
Wow, I know. Krishna must be so happy today. All of you made laddus. Awesome.
This is my
I
laddu.
like it.
Mataji, this is my laddu.
Who is this? This is my laddu. You tell me, I will spot you. Who are you? Who is this?
Sita.
Sita. I don't
New
say.
Sita.
Mataji, she is already spotted. You can see. We all can see her.
Only I cannot see her. She's already there on the video. Oh, Nushita. Oh, Hari Bol. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay. So, Mataji, are we ending the call here, Mataji?
Sure, Mataji.
Mataji, are we ending the call here?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Mataji said sure. She said the